Hey everyone, today I'll be talking about multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis is an autoimmune disease of the white matter which is characterized by chronic inflammation, demyelination, and axonal loss. The diagram over here shows a normal nerve as compared to a nerve affected by multiple sclerosis. The cause, or say the etiology of multiple sclerosis, remains idiopathic, which means that its exact cause is not known. But theory suggests that it can be associated with genetic factors or can be associated with environmental factors such as smoking and vitamin D deficiency. Multiple sclerosis is of four types. The first type is the relapsing remitting type of multiple sclerosis. In relapsing remitting type of multiple sclerosis, symptoms and signs typically evolve over a period of several days, then stabilize, and then often improve spontaneously or in response to drugs within weeks. The second type of multiple sclerosis is primary progressive multiple sclerosis. In primary progressive multiple sclerosis, there is gradual progression of disability without superimposed relapses. The third type of multiple sclerosis is secondary progressive multiple sclerosis. Secondary progressive multiple sclerosis is characterized by gradual progression of disability with or without superimposed relapses following initial relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis. The fourth type of multiple sclerosis is progressive relapsing multiple sclerosis. Progressive relapsing multiple sclerosis is characterized by gradual progression of disability from disease onset with relapses later in the course of disease. Clinical features of multiple sclerosis can include motor features such as muscle weakness, sensory features such as tingling and numbness, other features such as cerebellar signs like ataxia, features of optic neuritis, and also there is bowel and bladder involvement. Investigations for multiple sclerosis can include a MRI scan and a lumbar puncture. Once the diagnosis of multiple sclerosis is established, then its management is mainly based on drug therapy. Advanced cases may require therapeutic plasma exchange. So this was all about multiple sclerosis in brief. Here is the overview of what I have discussed. If you think this video was helpful, do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.